What's up, guys? This week we're down here in Cabo Wabo. We're at our resort and we got some beach access down here. And you know me, had to bring my pole always, see what we can catch down here. But yeah, we're gonna go give it a shot. I'm not sure. I mean, there's so many, it's saltwater, there's so many new species down here I've never caught. So we're kind of looking for red snapper, but they're like just coming into season, so it's still a little bit early for them. So not sure if we'll get them or not, but we'll see. I know there's some other stuff around, so we'll just cast away and see what bites the hook. So stay tuned for that. Oh, right here, right by the bank. Look at that. It's another one of those things bigger. Dude.
Yo.
I was just trying to reel in because I couldn't figure out how to
It was like
pop it with the waves. So that was my first cast. I was trying to figure out how to run it through the waves. This thing is real shallow. We caught these yesterday. We couldn't figure out what they were. I guess I didn't look it up last night. Talked to a guy. He said he thinks it might be some kind of grouper, but or snapper, sorry. But I honestly forget, to be honest. Here, Zach, you wanna hold this? You wanna hold this, Zach? Thanks, dude.
That wave was massive.
Yeah. I was not expecting that. Not right there, at least. It's literally just first cast.
Older.
Shoot, these hooks are already bent.
I'm calling it. Put it in the YouTube video. It's right there.
All right. Zach says there's gonna be a fish right over here behind this rock, so we'll give this a couple more casts. That guy hit so shallow. Real cool, so. Nah, we're chilling. Oh my gosh, there's a fish right there. Huh, Zach, you're right. There was one right there. We'll wait till it calms down a little bit here. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Yeah, there was something good right there. We're looking for red snapper here, but I mean, I won't be too picky. I'm quickly realizing it's all about matching when the water comes in. Oh, that's a lot of stuff right there. You know, if I get one, I'm not sure how I'm getting it up, but we'll figure that out when the time comes. I do like this spot though. Yeah, we'll see what we can find back in here. Another one. These things are everywhere. They just keep coming. Well, wasn't recording, but we got one. It's probably the biggest one I've caught here. I'm not sure what the if that's big for its kind or not, but like I said, biggest I've caught here so far. So get back here, Stinky. You come with me. Woo! They really need to figure out what these are, but pretty little guys, aren't they? Look at them. Wonder if they're good eating or not. Later. Let's get it. See what we can't hook into. There we go. First cast. Oh, broke me off. That was big. Dang it, that was my last jig too. That was big. Snapped my line. Are you kidding me? Son of a gun. There we go. That's a nicer one. Zach! That's a good fish. Come on, buddy, come in here. Maybe not, he's getting real white now. Oh, come on. Don't tell me you're stuck on that rock. Oh, that's new. Is it a snapper? Oh my gosh! What are you? What the heck are you? Look at this gabagoo with them big lips. Oh Lord. What kind of fish is that? It's a chompy fish. Look. Ah! Sorry. We're getting hit here. There we go. That's a good fish. That's the biggest fish to trip right there. Zach! Oh, it's a female. Ah. Zach! Big male! Oh, that thing is gorgeous, guys. Check that out. Absolutely gorgeous. Woo! Look at that right there, guys. There we go. I'm gonna set it in and caught him. That's awesome. Woo! I just set it down there and caught him. He chased it in. That's so cool. We can eat that one. That's awesome. Huh. What do you know? Check that out. I think we might have a tactic going on here. May have figured it out. There we go. There's some, ain't very big. Keep out of the rocks. Another one of these guys. Looks like. Yep. Whole bunch of them around. Oh, he's lighter colored. Whoa! Alright. Later. She a little bit salty. There we go. Nothing huge. It's actually pretty small. I guess it's one of them hawkfish. Yep. Ding, 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 ding. Hawkfish. Get out of here. Oh, there we go. Quick release. Later. Oh, I'm already on again. Wow, that was quick. Zach! That was on the drop. That usually doesn't happen. It ain't walleye fishing. It's a long ways to reel in. Not a hawkfish. A whole school of them out there, I bet. All right, now you're gonna cooperate and you're not gonna, no bitesies and no flopsies. Oh, there you go. Try to get something a little bit bigger. There we go. Not a hawkfish. So many of you guys. Huh. Edible? I don't know. Uh-oh, big wave. Oh boy, not good. There we go. Oh shoot, another big wave. Oh man, this could be bad. More than bad as I thought. This looked really big. Man. Oh, you're new. Hi, what are you? It's like the same one I caught last time, a different species. Pretty little feller. So I kind of found out the strat here, for me at least right now. What I'm doing is I'm casting out there letting it sink to the bottom, then starting to reel. And sometimes I'll find the occasional rock, but usually you just kind of lift it up and then you're fine. So I think rolling close to the bottom might be the key right now. There we go. Yay! It's one of the males, Mexican hogfish. Yeah. That would be a male of Mexican hogfish right there. Got some gnarly teeth on him. Check that out. Not trying to get a hook in me this morning. Or a tooth at that. Look at that bait he ate, look at that. That's kind of crazy. Alright buddy, later.